You introduce?
KAMO Nature from Tokuya YAMAZAKI channel. Caroline came to my tea field and taste some my teas, and she loves Japan and tea and Japanese culture. And would you share your impression to came to Japan?
I can't believe what I've been discovering today. It was my dream to come here today because it's been 13 years that I'm drinking tea and that I like tea. And my dream was to come to Japan and to discover tea. And Yamazaki-san here, the field is so great and the tastes are wonderful, and I cried during all the day. I've been I was a little earlier, so I walk in the tea field and Yamazaki-san was waiting for me because I was so far deep in the tea field. And please, you can come. Everybody can come here because it's perfect. I taste all the teas and so many different kinds. I can believe the pu'er with Japanese and all sencha, gyokuro, and matcha. ありがとうございました。すごかった。It was perfect. Thank you so much, Yamazaki-san.
And my tea made with the philosophy of like Aikido, Japanese traditional martial arts. You can take some essence or you can feel something. So
yes,
it's really...
I am really impressed by something really deep for me. That's why I came in Japan, and I feel with you that this I can feel it in the fields, how you grow and how you are and how you make. And I think there are not so many people like you and understand and go deeper in our humanity to make it organic, because this is my difficulty in Belgium. It's hard to find organic ocha, and that's why I came here, because I eat only organic food, and it's. I am so lucky that I could meet you to taste it and to see that it's possible. How to make. I also make the link with Masanobu Fukuoka and permaculture. How to take care about the soil, the plants, and how they grow, and with the body, how the body takes care, and how with the meditation and let the thoughts go away, we can find our essence and take care for our children. And explain this to our children and to teach them that this is so important, because if we take care the soil, the plants, and the nature, it means that we take care of ourselves. So this is what I loved so much, and I cried today because I could find this here, and this is my philosophy too, to go to take care about the planet, because it's a miracle every day to live here. And in Japan, I found so many things deep inside of me because of the culture. is for me, it's close to what I think. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
ありがとうござい
I'm
ま
glad to
す。
meet you, and it's fun to me this conversation with you. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
どういたしまして。
Yeah, see you the next video. Bye.
またねー。